CC Jack here, and if you buy cannabis by the ounce, here's a question for you. Why are you paying around $200 an ounce when Connoisseur quality homegrown costs about $40 an ounce to produce? Friends, having disposable income means having money left over you can enjoy, not throw down the garbage disposal. With grocery and gas prices so high, how can you afford to spend thousands of dollars or more every year buying weed at 5 times the cost to grow it? Do you think it's too hard to do? It's no harder than growing any houseplant. Time consuming? About 3 hours per week. Seriously, I would really like to know how millions of people continue to spend so much hard-earned cash on dispensary weed while the economy is tanking. I have a YouTube poll currently running to help us figure this out. Scan the QR code right here on the screen. It takes you straight to our quick poll. Please let me know what's keeping you on the sidelines. Now let's be clear, dispensaries can be convenient, and regulated markets are way better than the black market. But even legal cannabis has had recalls and safety warnings in multiple states for issues like pesticide contamination, microbial contamination, unreliable testing, and labeling problems. If you care about what goes into your body, you should care about what goes into your plant. Commercial growing is all about maximizing profits, not about quality, purity, or consumers' health. At quantumpotgrow.com, we show adults how to grow lab-grade cannabis at home, cleanly, confidently, and legally where home cultivation is allowed. Our complete 80-minute video course walks you through the process step by step: setup, soil, nutrients, lighting, plant care, harvest, drying, and curing, so you can produce connoisseur quality buds without guessing your way through it. The difference between all the 15-minute grow guides on the internet and our full step-by-step course is the difference between growing some average weed and growing lab-grade cannabis. Guaranteed. And when something looks wrong, you're not alone. Subscribers get access to our plant clinic, where you can upload pictures of your plants and receive expert analysis of the problem, plus real-time solutions to get your grow back on track. Our plant clinic is a true crop saver. About 4 million Americans already grow their own cannabis, but millions more still buy every ounce from dispensaries or unregulated sources, paying far more for a product they didn't grow, didn't inspect, and can't fully trust. If you are an adult in a place where home cultivation is legal, Quantum Pot Grow gives you the education and support to make the switch with confidence. Claim your free blueprint at quantumpotgrow.com today and get a full year of training and plant clinic support for just $99 with my personal money-back satisfaction guarantee. As always, if you found value here, please like and subscribe, but only hit the alert bell if you're running low on daily interruptions. Thanks for your time.